So I'm into electronics a lot. I love electronics. I've been into the industry. I work in it. Um, Obviously, I'm a regular human being. I've used electronics. I've handled other people's electronics. And anyway, I'm just really into electronics. Like, like really into it. And so, and I work in it. And so basically, I'm trying to get into it even more. I want to get into electronics even more, and I want to explore this industry. I want to see every single electronic that's out there. I want to see the markets. I want to network with the people. I want to see the different businesses. I really want to get into everything electronics, honestly. I absolutely love it. I feel like it's an industry that I'd still be in 5 years from now, 10 years from now, 20 years from now, 30 years from now. Like my whole life, it feels like an industry I'd just be into. And I love it. I love it. I love electronics. So yeah, so just watch whatever I post. You give me. I'm gonna be documenting. I'm just gonna be documenting things, everything relative to this industry. Even my personal thoughts. I'm gonna try a lot of different styles. Um, but overall, I just want to create a brand. Basically, it's not just content; it's a brand as well. I just want to really be immersed into this electronics industry. And I want to take a different approach at it. Also, I want to kind of like try some new approaches at it, especially with content, right? So, yeah.